The two set of buttons describe the two places where you'd be able to press buttons, on the floor and in the elevator. In each set of buttons, the bottom button will signal floor 1 all the way to the top button signaling floor 4. For right now, you can only press one at a time, signaling you left the elevator and when you're coming back in.
So this is our code for the assignment. As you can see at the top, we declare our servos, and we name the servo, and we make our variables or indicators. Then we go to the setup, where we set up our servos, and then we have our first bit of code here where we use the variable I, and we use it to count up to 4, and we use that to declare our pins for this assignment as int pull up. So then we go down to the loop, and we are using the eCall variable. We set it to 1, and then while it's equal to 1, we use the previous bit of code where we counted up, and we add that to 2 to count the pins. So we start from pin 2 and we end on pin 6, and then we use our servo to move by intervals of 36 degrees, starting at 36. And then once all that's done, we set our eCall to 0. And then we basically repeated that again for the fcall. The only differences we made were the variables and the digital read, where you check to see which pins are on low, is set to 8 instead of 2. So that way it counts from 8 to 12 instead of from 2 to 6.